Hello, you are welcome to Maths Clinic series. In this video, we want to prove the sum or prove that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360. We want to prove that. Now we know we have the interior angle here, that is the pink color is the interior angles. So all the pink colors form the interior angles, while the blue forms the exterior angles. We want to prove that no matter the number of sides of the polygon, the sum of all the exterior angles will add up to 360. We are going to do this using GeoGebra, and I spotted this GeoGebra animation that has been done by Kelly, who is the author of it, and I really appreciate her for doing this. We want to use her material to prove that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360. Now this is a triangle, okay, and this triangle is a regular polygon. I mean, the least polygon we can think of is triangle. And if this is an equilateral triangle, which is a regular polygon, you can see that the interior angles will be 60, 60, 60. And so the exterior angles is going to be 120, 120, 120. When you sum all the 120 together, you should get 360. And so that forms a circle. You can see that, right? Good. Now let's take four-sided figure. Four-sided figure, we have quadrilateral, and this is also a regular, so it's a square which has all the interior angles being 90, 90, 90. Then our exterior angles also become 90, 90, 90. When you bring all of them together, it forms a complete circle, or form a complete revolution. Then we take another one, let's say pentagon, and this is a regular pentagon, and a regular pentagon has interior angles, and each of the exterior angles is 72, and if you sum all the 72 together, you see that it will give you 360. So let's do that and see. When you bring all of them together, they form a complete revolution, that is a circle. Good. Again, let's take six-sided figure, which is hexagon, and hexagon interior angle is 120, so exterior angle, each of them will be 60, 60, 60, and one left. We bring the 60 together, so you can even do that for me, 60 times 6, and that'll give you 360. And again, when I put them together, I get a complete circle that shows that the sum of the exterior angle is 360. Let's take heptagon. Each of the heptagon will give you an angle of 51.43 to 2 decimal places. And again, when you sum all of them, if you sum all of them, they will complete a circle, giving you 360. So you can even pause the video, put calculator, add 51.43 times 7, and you get an approximated value of 360. Good. This can be done with a lot of number of sides, and in each case, this is 11-sided figure. When you bring all the exterior angles together, it will complete a circle for you. So this is a proof that every polygon, the sum of exterior angles always add up to 360. Thanks so much for watching this.